Hello everyone, welcome to valuespectrum.com. In this video I'm going to make an overview of Flextronics company. In this menu you can see the prices button, which gives you the information about the prices of all European and American stocks. Flextronics company is traded at the US Stock Exchange and index is US Tech Index. All these companies are listed alphabetically. Here we can see the maximum price and the minimum price of the past 12 months. Flextronics companies, the minimum price is $10.33 US and the maximum price is $16.46 US. And now the company is traded at $16.37 US, which is slightly less than the maximum price. If we click on it, we will see the details of the company and a short overview. Flextronics company is active in the technology sector and the semiconductor industry subsector. In the bottom you can see the historical prices. If we press the All button, we will see the price development for the company from 2014 to 2017. At the beginning, the company was traded only at $11 US, and during the years from 2014 to 2016, the price was very volatile, and it decreased to 10 in February 2016. If you look at the price during the last year, the price was a little bit more stable, and it increased to 16 in February 2017. Here we can see no sell recommendation and one hold recommendation for the company. It gives average target stock price $17 US. It's 3.85% higher than the current stock price. It means that the company is a little bit underrated now. We can click Annual Reports button. Here we can see all of the available annual reports for the company. They can be downloaded here for free. We can go to the results, and here we can see revenue, costs, profit, marginal profit, and return on investments for every year from 2008 to 2014. The company had the lowest revenue, equal to $23.5 billion US in 2013, and the highest, equal to $30.9 billion US in 2009. Revenues in 2013 decreased by $5.7 billion US compared to 2012, and revenues in 2014 increased by $2.5 billion US compared to 2013. We see that the company had loss equal to $6.1 billion US in 2009, and the highest profit equal to $596 million US in 2011. Profit in 2013 decreased by $212 million US compared to 2012, and profit in 2014 increased by $89 million US compared to 2013. If we go to the balance report here in the menu, we will see all the most important information, such as equity, debt, total assets, etc. for every year from 2008 to 2014. In 2008, the company's balance sheet equal to 19.5 billion US dollars. It's the highest value. And the equity equal to 8.1 billion US dollars. This is around 41% of the total balance sheet. In 2013, the balance sheet decreased to 10.5 billion US dollars. It's the lowest value. And the equity equaled to 2.2 billion dollars. This is around 21% of the total balance sheet. In 2014, the balance sheet increased to 12.5 billion US dollars, and the equity equaled 2.1 billion US dollars. This is around 17% of the total balance sheet. We can see that in 2014, 150,000 people were employed at the company. If you look at the details page, you will see all the information you need about price, earnings per share, price earnings ratio, etc. Company had the negative earnings per share equal to 0.20 in 2009, and the highest earnings per share equal to 0.75 in 2011. In 2013, price earnings ratio equal to 15, so the market valued the stock at 15 times the 2013's earnings per share. We see that in 2014, price earnings ratio decreased to 13. In 2014, the company's market capitalization, it's the number of shares times the market price, equaled to 4.5 billion US dollars. In 2014, the company had 591 million stocks listed. In our next video, we will take a look at some other US companies. Thanks for watching.